In Miami, a police officer received an urgent call to assist in a high-stakes pursuit. With the offending vehicle's location pinpointed through the radio, the officer swiftly joined the chase.
South on Northwest 18th.
26, all black, 10-1.
East on Northwest 60th Street.
Navigating through a labyrinth of streets, the officer finally spotted the target. The streets were congested, complicating the pursuit. The mission was clear: halt the fleeing vehicle without disrupting the flow of traffic. It required exceptional skill and nerve.
Found on 995.
We got engine blowing tangos.
That four silver lane. 95. He's getting off on silver lane.
Demonstrating the valor of a true hero, the officer executed the pit maneuver flawlessly on the first try. The maneuver was executed perfectly, bringing the suspect's vehicle to a stop without affecting other drivers. With a swift, decisive turn of the wheel and a seamless handcuffing of the driver, the pursuit came to a dramatic end.
You better stop!
The police chief of Tatnall County received an emergency report about a vehicle with a kidnapped hostage. The perpetrator, armed, had forcibly entered the victim's home. The victim's family and police were in pursuit, with the kidnapper attacking both the hostage and a pursuing officer. The police repeatedly tried to intervene as the suspect's vehicle sped away, its rear bumper nearly falling off. When officers attempted a pit maneuver, the suspect decelerated unexpectedly. Eventually, the police halted the pursuit, but the suspect forced the hostage out and fled into the woods. Law enforcement shot the suspect, and the hostage escaped safely.
Westbound, this is 132A. Westbound, this is 132A.
The Lake Worth Regional Communications Center announced a pursuit of an armed carjacker on State 91 highway by Fort Lauderdale police. Officers quickly arrived and coordinated their chase. The suspect drove recklessly, weaving between lanes. An initial pit maneuver attempt failed, but another team member continued the chase.
6 speeds, 91 traffic now medium light. Signal's clear. Car's still continuing northbound. Let's go ahead and, no, I was trying to get a pit. We're clear now.
The suspect's car became unstable due to a deflated tire. Police successfully executed the pit maneuver, ending the pursuit without injuries. The driver was apprehended shortly after without incident.
All other units responding, be advised they have one detained.
Jack, pulling through the target parking lot. I'm slowing down.
Which pursuits do you find exciting? Please leave your comments below. Thank you for your companionship. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to follow the next interesting videos. Goodbye and see you again.